Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to see some basics of network. So what is a network? A network is a group of two or more devices that are connected to each other to share data or share the resources. A network can contain a number of different computer systems that is connected by a physical or a wireless connection via server or a router. This router has direct access to the internet. The device can only connect to the internet through the router or the access point. Now for example, suppose that the client or a device connected to a network through Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If the client opens a browser and types google.com, then your computer will send a request to the router for asking google.com. Then the router will go to the internet and request google.com. That the router will receive google.com and forward that response to the computer. Now the client can see google.com on the browser as a result. In networking, devices on same network communicate with each other using packets. If you send a video, a login website, sending chat messages, sending emails, all the data is sent as a packet. In networking, devices ensure that these packets go in the right direction using the MAC address. Each packet has source MAC and a destination MAC, and it flows from the source MAC address to the destination MAC address. So this is all about basics of networking that you will require throughout this course. So this is all for this lecture. Thank you.